Race 1, 12 meters fillies and mares. I got a filly in by the name of Valari Veloci, a giant of a horse. If she doesn't get caught out for speed in the beginning, I would definitely not leave her out of the quartets. Race 2, Hawkeye. He might be in need of a runner. It might be a bit short for him as well. And in race 6, I got Kylie's Angel. You know, she's been trying and trying and trying, and I can't let up with her till she win a race for us. But she should be in with a shout there. First time I'm trying over 2,000 meters, and I think she'll start looking for the distance now. But she's definitely in with a quartet chance as well. And then race 7, I got that horse Stop the Traffic in. You know, back to 2,000 meters, the 2.6 might have been a little bit too far for him last time. And I don't think the track turf and things suits him too much, so he'll be in with a chance as well. I expect a very good run of him.